In a sunlit, bustling 17th century town, a clerk near the town hall sneezes so theatrically that it halts a serious council debate and erupts into a chorus of giggles from merchants and guards alike. The mayor, certain a curse lurks in the gust, declares a temporary pause for fresh air, while the town squares riff into improvised remedies involving pigeons, bells, and a very expressive parchment that blows away. Amid the chaos, a timid scribe accidentally drafts a new festival proposal, praising sneezes as civic virtue, which the crowd oddly loves. Citizens adopt sneeze etiquette, timing their bursts to applause and approving nods, turning an ordinary sneeze into a comic civic ritual. By dusk, the town has a makeshift statue of a giant nose and a legend that blends history with hilarity.